Will prices on products fall or will inflation remain? The results are in from the ESO Anniversary Event, so keep watching. Hi folks, welcome to Rudy Vision. Today I'm going to give you a snapshot of what markets look like during the ESO Anniversary Event, and we'll just get right into it here. For the EXP potions, the 50% potion is still going on markets for about 5K. Now, this is going to be mostly in Mournhold. If you go anywhere else, they're probably going to be a 1K difference on this. So keep in mind, this is more or less Mournhold information. It's going to apply across the board, but mostly in Mournhold. For the 100% EXP pots, we took a big drop now. It's heading into the 16K range. I think a lot of people are catching on that that's the big winner, and a lot of people are coming in now on that, and it's dropped the price dramatically, so it's now hovering into the 16K range. It will probably go down even more as time goes on, and as the cost of Perfect Row goes down, you're going to see a decrease on the EXP potions. And then finally, the 150% potion has been hovering anywhere between 75K and 79K on the Xbox markets. That could come down or it could stay the same depending on the availability of ethereal dust. Ethereal dust, last time I looked, was going in the 250K range. It might have taken a dip since then, but it's been fluctuating on and off on that. Perfect Row has been hovering at 17K now. So it took about a 3K drop from the average of 20K. Not a whole lot of movement considering that this event's been spawning a lot of Perfect Row. I don't see a whole lot of movement on Perfect Row, so that tells me that there's still quite a bit of a demand for EXP potions. Temper alloys, however, did take a drop. It's now hovering in the 7 to 8K range, more or less on the lower 7K range from what I've been seeing, and it could get even lower depending on the final results of this event. Rossins are kind of holding steady between 8.5K and 9K. They took about a 1K drop from 10K. But Rossins are still pretty high in demand, and more than likely after this event is over with, it's probably going to fizzle out between in the 8K range. Drew's Wax is another one that took a beating from the deflation. We're looking at the 4K range for Drew's Wax. I've seen bulk deals heading into the 3K range again, so that tells me the market's going down considerably on Drew's Wax. Um, the availability on that is just enormous, so that's why the supply is plentiful. Kudos seem to be forever stuck in that 5K range. Granted, there will be people that sell it lower than that occasionally, but 5K seems to be the average on CUDA, and that doesn't seem to be moving. Potent Nerncrux is hovering in the 17K range. Really surprised that didn't go lower, but it doesn't seem that this event is spawning a lot of Potent Nerncrux based on what I've been seeing so far. Fortified Nern is in the 2 to 2.5K range for single listings. Platinum, here's the big surprise. Platinum Refined is in the 12K to 13K range for stacks. A whole stack of this is about 12K to 13K. So big demand on this and still not a whole lot of supply even with this event. This is one to watch because after this event, it could get higher, it could remain this way, who knows? This could be the new norm. So we will see on Xbox if that remains to be so. Another big surprise, the blue plating has creeped up into the 13K range. If this holds even after this event is over with, don't even bother doing the blue jewelry writs because it's not even going to be worth doing. The cost of doing business on that is going to exceed the benefit. Purple plating is at the 29K range for an average. A little bit of a dip, but not a whole lot, and the demand's pretty high. So we'll see where that trends in the future. And then, of course, the yellow plating. It took a little bit of a drop. It's at the 90K range. Some people are selling below that. But yellow plating doesn't seem to be moving quite a bit, even with more supply on the market. All right, folks. So that's our market update for the anniversary event and where some of these key product lines stand with regards to market prices. If you like this video, please hit the like button and become a subscriber. I put out videos on Elder Scrolls Online each and every week, and I touch base on a large range of topics. And I'll see you next time.